Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills. Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills. The Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills are major highland systems of southern India. They form important parts of the southern Western Ghats and significantly influence the region's relief, climate, drainage, biodiversity and plantation agriculture. The Nilgiri Hills are located near the junction of Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Their location is important as a geographical meeting zone of the Western and Eastern Ghats. The term Nilgiri means blue mountains. The name is associated with the bluish appearance of the hills and is also popularly linked with flowering landscapes such as those of Neelakurinji. The Nilgiris resemble an elevated and extensive plateau rather than a simple linear mountain range. Their general elevation ranges approximately between 1,800 and 2,400 meters. The high altitude produces considerably cooler conditions than the surrounding lowlands. Doda Betta is the highest peak of the Nilgiri Hills. It rises to about 2,637 meters and is located near Ooty. Ooty or Udhagmandalam is the principal hill town of the Nilgiris. Its cool climate and mountainous landscape have made it an important tourism center of southern India. Numerous mountain streams originate in the Nilgiri highlands. The region influences the catchments of tributaries of the Kaveri as well as some west-flowing river systems. The Bhavani and Moyar are important rivers associated with the drainage of the Nilgiri region and ultimately form part of the Kaveri river system. Considerable variation in vegetation occurs across the Nilgiris because of differences in altitude, rainfall and slope orientation. The higher humid areas contain a distinctive shoulder forest and montane grassland ecosystem. Small patches of evergreen forest occupying sheltered valleys surrounded by grasslands are a characteristic feature. Tea plantation is extensively developed in the Nilgiris. High elevation, relatively cool temperatures and adequate rainfall provide favorable conditions for tea cultivation. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve was the first biosphere reserve established in India. It includes highly biodiverse landscapes of the Nilgiris and adjoining Western Ghats. The region provides important habitats for the Nilgiri ta, Asian elephant, tiger and numerous endemic plant and animal species. Expansion of tea plantations, settlements, tourism and transport infrastructure has placed considerable pressure on the natural forests and grassland ecosystems of the Nilgiris. The Palghat Gap lies south of the Nilgiris and separates them from the Annamalai Hills farther south. The Palghat Gap is a broad, relatively low passage through the Western Ghats. It provides an important natural corridor between the Kerala coastal region and the interior of Tamil Nadu. Besides transportation, the Palghat Gap influences regional climate by facilitating east-west movement of air and moisture across the Western Ghats. The Annamalai Hills lie south of the Palghat Gap. The name Annamalai means elephant hills and reflects the historical abundance of elephants in this region. The Annamalai Hills extend mainly across Tamil Nadu and Kerala. They form part of the high, humid and densely forested southern Western Ghats. Their landscape is characterized by steep slopes, deeply dissected valleys, elevated mountain surfaces and extensive forests. Anamudi, approximately 2,695 meters high, is the highest peak of the Western Ghats in the entire peninsular India. It is located in Kerala within the southern Western Ghats highlands. The Annamalai region receives substantial rainfall from the southwest monsoon. Orographic rainfall is particularly high along the western-facing slopes. High rainfall and elevation make the Annamalai Hills an important catchment area for numerous rivers and mountain streams. Drainage from the Annamalai region is divided between west-flowing river systems of Kerala and east-flowing tributaries associated with the Kaveri Basin. The Aliyar and Amravati rivers are associated with the Annamalai region and are important for irrigation and water resources in Tamil Nadu. Tea, coffee and various spices are cultivated on suitable slopes of the Annamalai Hills. High elevation and humid conditions favor plantation agriculture. The Annamalai Tiger Reserve and adjoining protected forests form important wildlife landscapes of the southern Western Ghats. The Annamalai region is particularly significant for elephant movement and wildlife corridors. Habitat fragmentation can disrupt ecological connectivity between forest areas. South of the Annamalai region, the highlands of the Western Ghats continue into the Cardamom Hills. The Cardamom Hills extend mainly across southeastern Kerala near the Tamil Nadu border. They are also known as the Elaichi Hills. The hills derive their name from the extensive cultivation of cardamom. High rainfall, humidity and mountain climate provide highly favorable conditions for spice cultivation. The Cardamom Hills form part of the elevated and deeply dissected terrain of the southern Western Ghats. Steep slopes, deep valleys and dense forests characterize the landscape. Their western slopes receive heavy rainfall from moisture-laden southwest monsoon winds arriving from the Arabian Sea. The catchment of the Periyar River is closely associated with the Cardamom Hills and adjoining highlands of the southern Western Ghats. The Periyar is one of Kerala's important rivers. Water resources developed in its upper catchment are significant for irrigation, hydroelectric power and water supply. Apart from cardamom, tea, coffee, black pepper and other plantation and spice crops are cultivated in the Cardamom Hills. Agriculture in this region shows clear altitudinal differentiation. The distribution of tea, spices and other plantation crops changes according to elevation, slope and rainfall. The Periyar Tiger Reserve is an important protected area associated with the Cardamom Hills. Its forests provide significant habitats for elephants, tigers and other Western Ghats fauna. Temperature generally decreases with elevation across the Nilgiri, Annamalai and Cardamom Hills, producing distinct changes in vegetation and creating several ecological zones within relatively short distances. All three highland systems form important components of the Western Ghats biodiversity hotspot. Numerous endemic species occur here, many with highly restricted geographical distributions. Conversion of natural forests into plantations, expansion of roads and tourism, dams, habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict are important environmental concerns in these mountain regions. Heavy rainfall combined with steep slopes creates natural susceptibility to landslides. Unplanned construction and alteration of vegetation on slopes can further increase the risk. These highlands are extremely important for the water resources of southern India. Forests and mountain soils intercept rainfall, regulate runoff and help sustain rivers and streams. For examination purposes, the Nilgiris should be associated with Doda Betta, Oti, shoaler grassland ecosystems in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, the Annamalai Hills with Anamudi, high rainfall, wildlife and plantation agriculture, and the Cardamom Hills with spice cultivation, the Periyar catchment and humid mountain F. Forests. For map-based study, the north to south sequence is particularly important: Nilgiri Hills, Palghat Gap, Annamalai Hills and Cardamom Hills. This sequence provides a simple geographical framework for understanding the highlands of the southern Western Ghats. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.